All right, y'all, we back with another one. Mystery box. Let's see what's inside. Careful with this knife. I don't want to cut my whatever's inside. All right. So what's inside this mystery box? Guess I'll put this to the side right here. So open it up. Okay. 62 Impala bubble top, huh? Nice. Looks like a candy apple green or something. Nice color. Alright. Take this off. Another one, huh? Charger. 69 Charger. Hot Wheel Classics. Number 16 out of 30. This one is 2 out of 30. This is number 2. Wonder which one is number 1 and which one is 30. Alright, let's put that to the side. See what's inside this one. Treasure hunt, huh? Trying to see if you can see that treasure hunt symbol, but it's hard to see it. But yeah, this is a treasure hunt right here. I like this one. Happy birthday, huh? It's beautiful. I like it. Alright, let's see what else we got up in here. Oh, shit. Oh, this is number 1, huh? Well, this is number 1 out of 15. Shelby Cobra. I like it. I like the little pin. Yeah. Alright. And this one is this is my favorite one right here. 61 Impala. Fast and the Furious, number 5. You know what? I think I might be. I got this one. I got the Impala. I think I got the Grand National. So all I need is this and this. These two to complete my set. But yeah. So which one you guys like better? The 61 or the 62? That 61 is so clean. Look at that bubble top on there, man. It's beautiful. Don't get me wrong, I like the 62 too, but 62 is better. I mean, 61 is better than the 62. Yeah, that's it for this video. That was it. Let me know which one was your favorite. Which car was your favorite? Cobra? The Treasure Hunt? Or the Fast and the Furious 61? Or the 69 Dodge Charger? The hood opened. Or the 62. Alright, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll get back to you. Peace.